Today we're celebrating 40 years since the beginning of Niftylift.
We've got a customer open day at our Milton Keynes headquarters.
This morning we've had suppliers come from all around the world.
Later to be followed by our gala dinner and our golf tournament.
Thank you for coming today, really appreciate it. And of course, welcome to our 40th year birthday party.
Everything we do is in partnership with suppliers and customers.
We're competing with the elite in the market, and I can't see that changing anytime soon.
World-class organisations need world-class suppliers, and that's you guys.
We've been working with Niftylift for well over 20 years now.
The quality has been superb, the reliability second to none.
They're always trying to reinvent themselves, improve themselves. They seem to be ahead of the trend.
We're just so proud and privileged to be a part of the Niftylift story.
We're delighted to work with a UK manufacturer. Very proud and excited to be part of Niftylift's future.
And hopefully we'll be here again in another 10 years' time with another anniversary.
I feel very special as a client. I think they look after me and my business on an individual basis. It's not just all about business.
We do have this rapport with our customers where we do like to work hard and play hard, so hopefully we'll have a bit of fun tonight.
Thank you so very much for coming to our celebrations. And of course, what you've seen tonight on the video would not be possible without all of you contributing so much to our success. Thank you so very, very much. Thank you.
Thanks, Gala.
We are up in the Nifty boom lift. Got to see a lot of the town, top of the building. Very, very neat experience. Thank you to Niftylift very much. Cheers!